Today, we're learning the Mi Chico dance trend step by step. I'm gonna break this up into 3 easy sections, and I promise by the end of it, you will have it. I'm gonna mirror this video. My left is your left, and my right is your right. All right, let's get started with section number 1. The first part of the dance, just the hands. You're gonna take your hands, they're gonna prep, and by your hips, 1, and then to your chest, and 2. Okay, one more time, just those hands, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2. Notice I'm leaning my body weight towards my right leg. Then I'm going to sit on the first one. Then I bring my chest out and I'm going to sit back on that one. Okay? Now the rock here, when you bring your weight to your right leg, slightly pick up your left leg. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 again, and 2. So every time I say the and count, bring your weight towards your right leg. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. Good. Now from here, you're going to do the same rock, but before we do that rock, you're going to get the hands. So the hands, you're going to think of putting your left hand, the fingers are going to point towards the ground, right hand fingers are going to point towards the ceiling. This is going to prep on the and count. So I'm going to go and 1 and 2. Now the wave, the only thing you want to think of right now is the fingertips. Your right hand is facing the ceiling, left hand is facing the floor. You want to switch them to cross and then switch them to go back. Yes, and that's going to give you that wave motion. So think of those fingertips, okay? So I'm going to go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. And you just keep that rocking motion the whole time, and you got it, all right? Let's go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Now from here, I'm gonna step out with my left leg. Hands are gonna go down on the 5, okay? 5, pull on the and count. I'm gonna sit and pull my elbows towards the ceiling. Then I step on the right leg for 6, and I pull down on the and count. Then I step on the left leg again for 7, and I hold, and then I clap on and 8. One more time. So we said 3 and 4, step 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Yeah, I know you got that. One more time. We said 3 and 4, step 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Let's put section 1 all together from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. Wave 3 and 4. Step 5 and 6 and hold and 8. Nice. All right. Moving on to section number 2. Section number 2. Now you're going to think of, let's get the legs first. You're going to step on the 1 count, but you're going to prep on the and count. When I prep, my hands are going to be in this position here. Let me show you here. It's like triggers, like I'm holding something here. And I'm going to cross my hands on the and count. As I pick up my foot, that's when I cross. So it's going to go and 1. Notice what I did there. And 1. Yes? Listen to those and counts. It's going to help you to know where your body should be. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Notice I cross on the and counts. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. How I'm stepping, I'm going to show you from the side here. Left leg's in front. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So I'm always stepping on the whole counts and crossing my hands on the and counts. So it looks like this again. We went from 7 and 8. I'm going to bend down here. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So my legs, when I step, they open up, prep, out, out, prep, out. Yeah, so it looks like I'm doing this motion. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If you see me with the steps, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Nice. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is rifle, walk, 6, 7, stop. Good. From here now, I'm gonna step down onto my left leg. I'm gonna reach my right hand to my left hip, then bring it up to my chest. Then I step with the right leg. As I step the right leg, my hands reach into my hip here, and I bring it up to my chest. So it's gonna look like this. 5 and 6 and. They're gonna cross, right hand behind left, 7 and. Then I go down, 8 to my hips and to my head. What did I just do? Again, so I said from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I step. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Good, let's do it a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Nice, okay? Let's put section 1 and 2 together. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, slow. And 1 and 2, wave. 3 and 4, step. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, step. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Good. All right, moving on to the last section, section number 3. This is where you do the body roll. Okay, I'm gonna show you it first, and then we'll explain the body roll for those who struggle with the body roll, okay? So you're gonna take your body, you're gonna lean to either your left or your right first, whichever one you're comfortable with. I'm gonna go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, then double 6, 7, 8. So it's a slow roll, then quick 6, 7, 8. Now, the hands I'm doing here where I start here and then bring them down to my hips, I saw Jason Derulo and some other dancers doing that, but I also saw people going slow, slow, and then doing their own thing, all right? As long as you keep the slow, slow, quick, 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 you're doing it right, all right? Now, when you get into this for the body roll, you wanna think of leaning to your right and taking a breath, like you're pushing up your chest, and then you wanna sit in your hips, but notice something, boom. When I sit, I pop onto the ball of my foot of my left leg. So it gives me that full motion. Boom. Okay? Then I do the same thing on the other side. I lean to my left, push up my right hip, pushing out my chest, and then I sit. Okay? And that's gonna give you the body roll motion. So we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So let's put section 1, 2, and 3 all together. Nice and slow. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's go straight through before we try with the music. Here, no stopping. Let's make sure you got it. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and groove. 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that dance feels so good. Now it's time to try with the music. Click right over here, or YouTube might think you like this video next. All right? Thank you guys for being here, and peace out till the next tutorial. Hey, you wanna get that Chico? Hey,